Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Today we are going to learn 5 phrases, do a little bit of grammar and practice. So, I hope you learn something new today. The first phrase is to have beef with someone. Of course, beef is literally говядина in Russian, so you need to know this phrase. Нужно знать эту фразу, чтобы правильно понять. I don't like him. We have beef. It means that we have a conflict. To bite off more than you can chew. To bite off more than you can chew. I took on 5 extra projects. I bit off more than I can chew. So you, of course, know the verb to bite and the 3 forms bit. Bitten. Это просто кусать. But if you add off, прибавить off, и будет откусить. So literally откусить больше, чем можешь прожевать. So to chew, жевать. So maybe you can guess, можно догадаться, what does this mean? Chewing gum. Жевательная резинка. Now let's see the next one. To take something with a grain of salt. To take something with a grain of salt. Be skeptical. Take his stories with a grain of salt. Take his stories with a grain of salt. And literally, принять что-то, взять что-то с крупинкой соли. So that's a grain of salt. Big cheese. I don't think you need a literal translation. Здесь не нужно буквально переводить, и так понятно. But metaphorically, in slang, it means a boss. The big cheese is visiting our office today. To egg someone on, our 5th phrase for today. You see what it means. His friends were egging him on to fight. Also, you don't need the translation because you can see the picture what an egg is. So let's go through the phrases once again. To have beef with someone, to bite off more than you can chew, to take something with a grain of salt, big cheese, and to egg someone on. Now let's discuss the grammar part. It's present continuous plus always. So if you add always, если добавить always, then it will mean annoyance. Раздражение, annoyance with somebody. He is always egging people on. Or он вечно всех перебивает. So, просто берем present continuous, действие, которое происходит сейчас. Например, he is interrupting me. Он перебивает меня, как будто сейчас, да, действие происходит. If you add, если добавим always, then it will mean annoyance. Тогда будет раздражение. He's always interrupting me. Now let's practice. You can see the first letters. A letter – это не только письмо, но и буква. Видим первые буквы. And let's do the exercise together. Why are you always fighting with him? So you can see the annoyance. Just what we discussed. Как раз то, что мы обсудили в грамматике. Why are you always fighting with him? Do you have beef with him? Do you have a conflict? Don't take on this huge project if you're busy. You don't want to. Ты не хочешь откусить больше, чем ты можешь прожевать. So, but metaphorically it means this. Bite off more than you can chew. Number 3. He loves to exaggerate, so I always something. His stories with something. So 3 words here. Exaggerate. Really try to remember this word. It's really useful. So I always take his stories с крупицей чего, да, with a grain of salt. He makes all decisions around here because he's the boss. But what is the slang phrase for the boss? He's the big cheese. And he makes decision. Remember, make decision. He didn't want to break the rules. Let me just move it here. He didn't want to break the rules, but his friends were doing something. Do you remember this? Maybe you can visually remember the picture. We're egging him on. And so you use past continuous here because it was at that moment when he didn't want to break the rules. Происходило в тот момент, когда он не хотел нарушать правила, поэтому используем past continuous. So that's the exact time, да, как бы определенное время в прошлом. Friends were egging him on. I really hope you learned something new today, and do a small test in the comment section. I think I will add a couple of questions, and let me know what phrases were new to you. See you in the next video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.